The pursuit of greater efficiency in the use of the spectrum available to mobile radio services is and has always been an ongoing task for communications, and their main objectives were: multiple users communicate in the same geographic area, share resources by the various users so that as many users as possible can communicate at the same time. In this video, we are going to know how it happens. But first, don't forget to hit subscribe button, activate the bell to be notified when I upload a new video, like, share, and leave your comments below. In this contest, techniques were created that allow multiple users to access the transmission medium, that is, the sharing of radio channels. In this video, we are going to talk about two of them, FDMA and TDMA. FDMA stands for Frequency Division Multiple Access, which is characterized by the allocation of different spectrum bands for channels and services, and voice. And TDMA, which stands for Time Division Multiple Access, which uses digital voice signal processing and multiplexes information from different users in different time slots within the same physical channel. The FDMA is the most common method of access, especially among analog systems. In this case, the spectrum is divided into channels, where each subscriber turns to his carrier. We can make an analogy to pairs who want to communicate, where each pair uses a tube. The tube is representing a carrier. The information of a pair that propagates in one tube does not interfere with that propagating in another parallel. The number of channels in the system will depend on the width of each channel. Among the available channels, a small portion is dedicated to control channels, the rest being used for voice traffic. In the case of the AMPS system, the spectrum is divided into 30 kHz channels used throughout the duration of a call. The TDMA splits a physical channel into multiple time slots so that each channel can be used by more than one person, but one at a time. Each subscriber is allocated a periodic sequence in time slots within a physical channel, so the same carrier can be shared by different subscribers, as you can see in this figure. In this case, the analogy is, for example, with three pairs that divide the access time to a single tube, the carrier. The pair in this group is entitled to use the tube for a period of time that happens periodically. Even so, other groups of three pairs can use other tubes. This form of TDMA used by digital systems is actually an FDMA-TDMA combination. This method presents a significant increase in the traffic served in relation to the FDMA. Due to the digital characteristic of the system, there is greater immunity to noise and interference and also more security in the communication link, promoting privacy to the user. There is also a need of equalization, but this can be used to combat signal fading. And another one is that the transmission rates can be variable in multiple of the basic rate of the channel. Signal strength and bit error rate can be controlled to facilitate and speed up the handover process. The findings above reveal that GSM is a mixture of multiple access methods, FDMA and TDMA, where the frequency band is subdivided into frequency channels, where each channel is subdivided into time slots. With that, each user sends a particular frequency band and in a particular time slot. Choosing the access method for mobile radio systems is a complex task, as all FDMA and TDMA methods have advantages and disadvantages. In this table, we have listed the principal characteristics about FDMA and TDMA. The advantages are, for FDMA, it is established, simple, and robust. And the disadvantages are inflexible, frequency is a scarce resource, and it requires a wide band. And for TDMA, the advantages are: the system is established, fully digital, and flexible. And the disadvantages are: synchronization is difficult, a wide space is needed because of multipath propagation. Hello tech lovers, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share the video. It is important that you subscribe and activate the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Stay home, wash your hands, and take care.